Good morning, guys. Here we go again. Basically, day 2 of KPS Man 2 Junior. Uzair करवा रही है. He thought about this a very long time ago, and I'm like super proud of being as a role model. जो हम लोगों ने करवाया था KPS Man Intercampus. It was wonderful. और अब ये लोग junior करवा रहे हैं. And they invited us as chief guests. Like team ये लोग सब है. Like juniors, 9th की graders जो हैं वो team है. And they invited us as the chief guest and the dais as the honor. Also, इनका MUN सिर्फ 2 दिन का था. However, हमारा MUN was 3 days and बहुत ज़्यादा हमें टाइम मिल गया था सोचने का. बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टफ इसलिए बिकॉज इन लोगों को एक तो गाइड करना है और डिफिकल्ट. वैसे 2 दिन का MUN है तो 2 दिन में आपको ना ऐसे होता है लाइक आपको हम हर चीज़ थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी में होती है तो आपको इस चीज़ का भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ रहा है कि मैं अपने में BD-OD किसको दूँ बिकॉज अभी तक एज सच मेरी नज़र में कोई नहीं आया कि जो मैं इसको BD-OD दूँ. बट लेट्स सी आज बिकॉज DR में मोस्टली जब आपके पास 2 दिन का MUN होता है तो आप DR में ही देखते हो बिकॉज मॉड्स में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पता चलता. कल हमने क्राइसिस भी करवा लिए थे और कल हमने एंटरटेनमेंट सेशन भी करवा लिया था. तो क्राइसिस में तो चाइना फुल मतलब लाइक आई कैन नॉट टेल यू चाइना कितना ज़्यादा रोस्ट हुआ था बिकॉज चाइना स्टार्ट द वॉर विद एवरीवन, साउथ अफ्रीका एंड एवरीथिंग ना.
For the lithium reserves of Congo. You had just re-established your deal. Yes. Answer it wisely. So you don't want to ally with South Africa.
As I mentioned that South Africa is ally of China, so we can make a group. So he granted the
I don't think so. Congo would grant the permission because South Africa has attacked on Congo. Why?
They just literally declared war.
They literally just declared war exactly on Congo. So if you ally with South Africa, you will break your treaty with Congo, and if you ally with Congo, you will break your treaty with South Africa, who trusted so.
तो वो चीज़ क्राइसिस में थी. अब आज मैं सोच रही हूँ कि आज वर्किंग पेपर में ना लूँ बिकॉज वर्किंग पेपर का टाइम नहीं है. और जो स्टॉकहोम में आयशा और वो लोग भी वर्किंग पेपर नहीं ले रहे हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव इनफ टाइम. और फिर DR कब बनाएंगे बिकॉज बाय 11 हमें आज कमेटी सेशन खत्म करना है अपना. और ब्लॉक्स वगैरह कल फॉर्म हो गए थे अनमॉड में बट स्टिल देयर 3 ब्लॉक्स. इट्स लाइक रफली चीज़ चल रही है. But I'm like super excited and super nervous. मुझे कल का ब्लॉग करना था but somehow I technically forgot about it. So आज we're doing it of day 2 and I'm like super excited because when you do something that your like close ones have organized, it's more kind of fun. And to be very honest, मुझे इंटर कैंपस से ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था just because मुझे अपने पसंद का रूम भी मिल गया लाइब्रेरी 2nd floor. इंटर कैंपस में we all know मुझे वो इतना gloomy रूम मिला था. But now I've got my room which I like and of course the delegates are like super participative. मेरे इंटर कैंपस से ज़्यादा. So I'm like happy, very happy, alhamdulillah. And yes, let's go start the committee session. It's almost 7:50 या 7:55 इतना कुछ टाइम हो रहा होगा. So yes, we have to end it by 11. तो हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. Let's go. This is हमारा लाइब्रेरी का फर्स्ट फ्लोर. Almost very genuinely I'm grateful for my school. At least my school interior is very nice, so we get to spend the time thoda zyada comfortably. And this is how we go to the 2nd floor. Then standees तो हमारे टाइम वाली ही हैं. This is the 2nd floor. And this is the setting. जो PNA की last time setting थी ना same way.
These are the ply cards. अभी तक मैंने बच्चों को प्लाई कार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं किए हैं. आई विल बी डूइंग इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज कल हमने सबके कलेक्ट कर लिए थे ताकि आज ये लोग घुमा के ना आए. सो अभी हमने कुछ अपने काउंटर पे रखे हुए हैं और कुछ इनकी टेबल्स पे. लेट्स डू इट फर्स्ट.
like what would be that international organization? Who do you consider it as?
WHO.
WHO, right? But
World.
that's for health organization, right? But we're here talking about the minerals. Alright, you might think about it and include it in your DR about this organization. If you're gonna use any old organization or if you're gonna make a new organization for this conflict, alright? Secondly, you said that countries should disclose their mineral information. They should have transparency. Don't you think that yesterday I gave an example that if Congo reveals that they have the lithium reserves, all the world will have their evil eyes on that. Do you think it's safe?
Like countries, if they have the military to control, protect the country from that type of bees, I repeat it, so they can announce it.
Enough military, so still they can announce it or not?
They have to, they don't have to.
Alright.
We could make any organization which,
Such as?
Okay, so don't find me rude here because I was constantly telling them कि मुझे एक clear solution चाहिए and nobody was giving them. इसलिए I questioned in a bit rude mood, I don't know.
Speeches, I told them the same thing. Your speeches are very vague. I do not know what solutions do you consider. I do not know your country. Things. What about the conflict? What are the solutions? You are just saying that we have to do solutions. ये मसला है, हमें ये solution करना है, ठीक है? सबको पता है हमें क्यों बैठे हैं? Solutions के लिए बैठे हैं ना? क्या लिखोगे अपने DR में जब मुझे कोई solution present ही नहीं हो रहा? Transparency कैसे होगी? कौन सी organization are way vague the right thought? थोड़े solutions तो provide करो जिसमें सब DR में भी डाल सको. I'm taking between as well international.
Biometric international auditing mechanism.
Auditing mechanism. And what's that?
Like we can add the process of Kimberley process. We can add the Kimberley process to all that. That is that the diamonds are smuggling. That is a process of diamonds mining. So there is no conflict. Like we can.
But do you know what's meant by auditing? Auditing means the check and balance you keep on companies by visiting them. So like you were saying that there should be an international auditing, but by whom will it be conducted? And who will be responsible to judge whether the companies are working according to the mechanism or not?
There should be a committee behind the human section.
Again, a committee. Which committee? See, wait, I do not have the answer. Which committee? Who will conduct the auditing and everything? Still, you had a vague speech. Go back.
And the second one.
We'll see if we do not have enough countries, you can be recognized twice. Reputation of
due diligence framework.
reboost. What's that? That companies reveal their what? Maybe you talked about their assets, but similarly as China said that the countries should reveal their minerals to other countries, right? And you said that companies reveal their assets. Don't you think it's very dangerous if a country is revealing the assets it has? The other countries will have evil intentions in that country. Even if the country is able to defend or not. Even if Pakistan, being a nuclear power, declares that he has, then the countries like India or USA will try to have evil intentions in that country like Pakistan, despite of knowing that he is a nuclear country. Don't you think it's that way?
We are having an unmod जब तक मैं अपने स्कूल को थोड़ा सा एडमायर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द रूम हमारे पास इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है फ़िलहाल क्या मतलब
अपनी पीसी देगी ना उसको
हाँ
मतलब और इतने अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे उसकी CSS
We are gonna ask Ifla MUN कैसा गया Ifla
इतना अच्छा गया मेरी परीक्षा इतनी प्यारी और अच्छी है मैं बता नहीं सकती
What about Hamna?
मरीशा मेरे ब्लॉग्स देखती है तो पता चलेगा
फेवरेट हमारे MUN भी अच्छा रहा है
don't want to implement on others' laws or.
नहीं यार, this is not the point of contention. Solution क्या है? इन 3 दिनों में एक लाइन का solution बताओ कि क्या चाहते हो?
Peace.
कैसे? ऐसी बात है, आप यहाँ कोई वॉर लड़ने के लिए तो नहीं बैठे हैं. तो लाइक कैसे चाहते हो? लाइक ऐसी क्या चीज चाहते हो?
We have to join a committee which tell us.
We should be in peace, live in peace. As our group name is also the Peacekeepers, and we should, and the all countries should join together.
So point of contention तो मतलब नहीं समझ रहे point of contention का. See, अब जैसे अगर Two, three, long live!
Everything went so smoothly and हमारा DR पास हो गया था and it was now time for the certificate distribution.
Take your one finger. Take two tap करो. Take 2 finger. 3, 4, 5. अब 1 सेकंड रुको. अब again. अब मैं 1 2 3 नहीं बोलूंगी, बस सब एक साथ करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5. No particular order. We have 4 special mentions. Delegate of Qatar. China. Delegate of South Africa. Delegate of Hungary. Delegate of USA. Now we are moving towards the honorable mentions in no particular order. Delegate of India. Delegate of Philippines. And the delegate of Congo. Congo. Diplomacy awards goes to delegate of France. So diplomacy is something you do. 27 लोगों में अकेले स्पॉन्सर होना है जो डिफिकल्ट. This shows कि आप कितना मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो. Being the leader in 27 people and giving them a reason कि आप लीडर बन रहे हो is like a great thing. Delegate, best delegate कौन होगा? China. Who will be the best delegate? China. Best delegate goes to China.